Hey, morning out there, everybody. It's Keith from Jits PC, and I thought I'd do a product review. I picked up an MSI 240 millimeter AIO on sale, and frankly, it was pretty easy to install. Now, this is going in the AM5 refurbished build I'm doing. So, yeah, you already had the back plate, AM5. Luckily, they have that back plate that everybody builds off of. So, all you had to do was screw in the offsets that, the screws that have, they screw into the back plate, and then they have exposed threads for the cooler to mount to. So, it was an easy install as far as that goes. The bracket that was on the the heat sink of the AIO already had was basically built out to where it fit AM5 or some of the Intels. I tend to stick to AM5, but I do Intels at times. And the fans were already pre-installed, so then all it took was mounting the radiator on the top of the case. That way, this case will pull. It's kind of a neat case because it's got the mesh on the side, so you can pull air in, cool air in from the side of the PC, and then these fans exhaust it up into the cavity, and then this fan draws it out on the back, and this fan pushes it up, and that way it's going through the radiator and venting the heat as well. So, in other words, air comes in, it goes straight up, either out the back or out the top, and you keep the temperatures down inside the cavity itself. This case could have had some fans on the front to help cooling, but I think this will be adequate cooling because, again, they did provide a mesh intake, so to speak. So, it's just like your home air conditioner. It's got to have cool air to bring in and then force it through the coils and then get the heat out the top. So, but like I say, this AIO seems to work just fine. I'll test it out and fire it up and all that kind of good stuff. We'll see how the software integrates. But all in all, this is the MSI Mag Coreliquid A15 240. And it was on sale at Newegg Business. So, I'm going to give it a try. Hope that helps, and, consider it. Y'all have a good day, and thanks for tuning in. Y'all have a good weekend.